Okay, let me show you this on a 5-minute. It may look easier. Hold on. Espérate. Now, hold on. This is the type of nuggets when you join IM Academy. This is what you get. Right, Nikki? Tell them. Tell them what they get. Tell them what they get. Tell them what type of traders IM Academy has. This is what they get. Hold on. This is IM Academy giving back, helping people, right? So if we get a break below 27,670, what does a break look like? Let me draw it out. A break means price coming down. So let's pretend this is a candle. I'll make it red, and then we'll make it nice and thick. All right. So look at this thick candle. So when price closes, it has to close under this level, and you'll sell it. Okay? So, all right. All right, guys. 15 minutes, you'll wait. Now, we got to see 27,670. If it breaks that, TP1 is 27,640. TP2 is 27,615. 27,615 is TP2. 27,590 is TP3. TP4 would be 27,575 if it breaks to sell. So I'm showing you what the thing has to do. It has to, this is the candle, and it has to close under the arrow, under this black line. No close, no entry. Okay? Now, like I said, it may just be hitting on this support. I don't like to buy like this. So what I like to do, I'd rather break a buy area that I'm confident in, that I've traded in the past multiple times, than trade this. But what is this forming? What do we see forming right here in the 5-minute? Can someone tell me what's forming on the 5-minute? What pattern do we see forming on the 5-minute if it respects it? What's forming here, guys? That's right. A W. See that, guys? Bam, bam, bam. You get in at the break, and bam, collect your money, guys. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. We see that rejecting, so it's going to the 15. Let's go 15, 15. Let's zoom in. Let me erase this. Okay, now it's going to the 15. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And zoom in. Look at that, guys. It has to respect it. So, go. Oh, what's the stop loss? Perfect. I have to get off in a few minutes because I have a training to do. $27. Hold on. Let me measure again. $27,679. 27,679. I don't do limits, I do executions. Okay? Let's look at German 30. See, everything's rejecting here. So for me, it's rejected. It's very choppy. I would buy German 30 at 12,840. I would buy German 30 at 12,840 to 12,860 to 12,880. German 30. I would buy German 30 at 12,840. 12,8 TP would be 12,860. TP2 is 12,880. And I would sell German 30 at 12,780. I would sell German 30 at 12,780 to 12,760 and 12,740 for German 30, guys. German 30 is really good. Really nice pair to trade. I see everyone's talking about gold. Gold's not doing anything right now. Gold's consolidating. It's consolidating. The stop loss for German 30 for a sell would be around 12,805 for the sell. Stop loss would be 12,805 for the sell. And for the buy, I would do 12,809. Okay? You guys got it? Make sure you guys download the Forex filter so we can represent for people who don't know, who are unaware what Forex is. Let's empower, educate, and enrich individuals who are not as lucky as you guys. Like I said, you guys think it's a lot of people in this industry. It's not. A few 100,000 people is incomparable to the billions of people we have in this world. So make sure you wear this to represent what you're doing. You're a trader. You're becoming a trader. You're working on becoming an independent trader. So you should rep Forex. This is why I downloaded this, because it represents what we do as traders. All right? Let's go show the world the power of Forex. Let's show the world that it's not too late to change your life. Let's show the world that you do have a second chance to change your life around. I tell people like that all the time. Tell me a career that you have right now that will make you more money than what you're doing with learning how to day trade. If you don't have an opportunity, which most people don't have an opportunity making millions somewhere else, then you don't have any other business than looking elsewhere but exactly what we do. You got to make sure, guys, that you really empower people that don't know about this industry. And if people call Forex as a scam, educate them. They obviously don't know nothing about the financial industry. They lack the knowledge. So educate them with the knowledge. And really, 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 share this opportunity with as many people as you could. Think about it, guys. Let's get real on this live. How many people are going to go to bed hungry tonight because of lack of money? How many people are in the verge of losing their homes because of lack of money? How many people on the verge of losing their only vehicle that they have access to take them back and forth to work? How many people are going to wake up tomorrow with a call that they're about to get laid off or fired because of this pandemic? Think about how many kids are going to bed hungry tonight. Think about how many kids are sleeping with their mom right now in a shelter, or sleeping in the car, or even sleeping on the street. So before you ever get into the mentality, well, I'm not going to share this with anybody, just think about those individuals. You see, the reason why, as an educator, as a trader first, before I became an educator, why I'm so determined to share this opportunity is because you don't see the thousands of DMs that I have to read every single day about people whose life has to literally change. There's people that were on the verge of suicide, on the verge of giving up because they've tried everything. And they were on the verge of giving up, but because I did an IG live and because they learned about an opportunity, we spoke life into someone who felt hopeless. We spoke life into someone who was vulnerable. We spoke life to someone who was in a dark space, in a dark hole that had nobody to talk to because all they were surrounded was toxicity and negativity. So be a voice for the voiceless. Be a voice for the people who don't have money. There's millions of people right now living in poverty, and you have the opportunity to not only change your life, but to change someone else's life. The same way I give you the opportunity to learn from me, give someone else that gift. Give someone the gift of changing their financial status. Because remember thing, guys, you can lose money, make money, but there's one thing you can never get back: time. We can't even reverse the last 10 minutes of the time we just spent on this IG live. We can't reverse what we did yesterday. We can't slow down time. So let's stop wasting time. Let's stop wasting more time. And let's use our time wisely. And let's go out there and share this opportunity to the world. All right, guys? I love you. I'll see you tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you have your people following me. If you want more IGs, I'm going to be doing them like 2 to 3 times a week, giving out trade ideas. Make sure you turn on your notifications for when I go on, and share this IG live. Share this IG so people can know the power of Forex. Thank you. Have a great one.